Okay, so I want you to take a second and try and solve the problem, and then when you are ready, just continue the video. So here you can pause it and attempt to do the problem, and then after you're done, or you're ready to continue, just unpause the video, and then we will go over it. Alright? Great. So, the problem here is circles within circles, and it says there are 3 circles, so the first one is the larger one, the second one is the second larger one, and the third one is the smallest one. And it says these 3 circles have a line. This line is PRQ, and their tangent at points PR and Q. So this circle touches the tangent of the larger circle at this point. These 2 circles touch each other at their tangents right there, and then the smallest circle touches the largest circle here at a tangent point. So that is the information that is given. And then it wants to know what is larger, the circumference of the largest circle or the sum of the circumferences of the 2 smaller circles. So the formula you need to know for this one is that circumference is equal to diameter times pi. Alright, maybe that's usually D capitalized, but it's circumference is equal to diameter times pi. This is the formula that you want to know. So let's start by calling one of these different variables. Let's call this diameter x, let's call this diameter y. Alright, so from here to here is going to be y, and from here to here is going to be x. Alright, so x therefore represents the diameter of the circle that's created here. Y is the diameter of this circle, and then y plus x is going to be the diameter of the largest circle. So y plus x equals diameter of largest circle. Y equals the diameter of the middle circle, of this circle right here, middle circle. And by that I mean middle, largest, so it's not the largest, it's not the smallest. And then x is equal to diameter of the smallest circle. Okay, and this gives us, I think, basically everything we need to solve this problem. So we start off by trying to find out what this is and what this is. So remember, diameter times pi is equal to circumference. So the circumference of this circle right here is going to be equal to y multiplied by pi, because that's the diameter. And then this pi is pi. So now we look at the smallest circle. The smallest circle, if we create an arrow that goes there, is going to be x multiplied by pi. Alright, so these are the 2 circumferences of the 2 smaller circles. Now, the circumference of the largest circle is going to also be diameter times pi, so that will be diameter times pi, but diameter is this entire line, which is x plus y. So that is going to be equal to x plus y, in parentheses, times pi, which is equal to, that doesn't matter what it's equal to, it's equal to this. So this is the diameter of the largest. Now, that is going to be, I'm sorry, that's the circumference of the largest. So that is going to be quantity A. Now, what is quantity B? Quantity B is the sum of the circumferences of the 2 smaller circles. So these are the circumferences of the 2 smaller circles right here. So let's add them together, and what we get is y plus pi, y times pi, plus x times pi. Alright, now what we have here is we have pi on both, so we can remove that, and that will take you to y plus x, in parentheses, multiplied by pi. This equals the sum of both smaller circumferences. So this is going to be equal to b. Alright, so this is a right here, which is x plus y times pi, and this is b right here, which is equal to y plus x times pi. This obviously is the same thing as x plus y times pi, which is equal to this. So therefore, the answer is that quantity A and quantity B are equal. And therefore, of these choices, we are looking at letter C.